Snake! Oh, but it was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So you see, you've got to be careful. If you're too naughty, mommy's gonna send you back too. So they send me a frog. But he was too jumpy. I sent him back. Ooh. Ooh. So they thought very hard and sent me a dog. He was perfect. I kept him. Do you want to have a dog, Yuki? Hmm?
Yuki.
It's a snake. It's a snake in the basket. Yuki.